Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to illustrate Le Chatelier's equilibrium principle with nitrogen dioxide gas and dry ice. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is dry ice. This is a screwdriver to chop up the bits of dry ice. I'll put that in one beaker. This is warm water in the second beaker. I have 2 containers of nitrogen dioxide, and this round bottom flask here has nitrogen dioxide that's hooked up to a valve, that's hooked up to a syringe, because you can also demonstrate this by changing the pressure of the gas. Okay, so the first step is just to break up some bits of dry ice. I'm just doing this with a screwdriver. And then I'm going to put these into my flask so it surrounds one container with nitrogen dioxide with dry ice. So here you can see I've got some crushed dry ice in one beaker. Okay, first let's take one and put it in the dry ice. Let's see what happens. Watch the color change there. And the other we'll put in warm water. Okay, what's going on at this point is I still have nitrogen dioxide gas over here, but over here it's changed, the equilibrium has shifted and it's become dinitrogen tetroxide. But when I take it out, look at the bottom. It's blue. That's where it changes into dinitrogen trioxide. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Now watch what happens when I put it in the warm water. The equilibrium will shift again, and it'll start to turn into nitrogen dioxide gas. It'll start turning brown again. Just wait for a moment, and that equilibrium will start to shift. Look, it's already starting to turn brown. Isn't that amazing? You can see just a little bit of blue on the bottom still. Put it back in. And you can see that equilibrium starting to shift. You can still see a little bit of blue at the bottom. I'll leave it in that warm water and watch it change. Let's try this one more time and I'll show you the chemical formula of what's going on in this reaction. So what you're seeing here is the chemical change that's caused by temperature. Over here I have nitrogen dioxide, NO2, but as it turns clear in the colder temperature here, it changes into dinitrogen tetroxide, or N2O4. Now if I take it out after it cools even longer, it changes into dinitrogen trioxide, or N2O3, and that's the blue color that you see. Look how blue it is. Isn't that amazing? And then if I warm it up, that dinitrogen trioxide starts to decompose back into nitrogen dioxide, which is that brown gas that you see, and nitric oxide, which then combines with oxygen to make more nitrogen dioxide. And that's that brown colored gas that you see emerging right now. Isn't that amazing? Just a great way to demonstrate Le Chatelier's equilibrium principle. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.